What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RMH2C case for moving headlights. As you can see, it comes with the case itself with two handles on each side and wheels at the bottom for easy transport. So now if we take a look at the inside of the case, you'll see the padding here that helps protect your lights. You'll also notice this soft foam here which helps protect the bottom of your lights. You'll see we have not one but two additional pieces of padding with Velcro on it that we can attach to the top of the case for extra security. This goes for each side here, so you'll get two large pads and two small pads that you can use depending on the size of your lights. So if you have taller lights to put into the case, you can use just one of these pads per light. And if you're putting in lights on the shorter size, you can use both of these pads together per each light. You can even use the crevices on the inside of the case to hold your power cables or your DMX cables. Then you can place your protective foam back into the case like so. What's also really cool is that there are a couple of locking brakes built into the corner wheels here, so you can press down on them to keep your case still when you're loading your lights in or taking them out. And when you're ready to move your case again, you can just lift the brakes back up. So to show you guys how to use the case, I'm going to be using the Chauvet Intimidator Spot 375C IRC lights. Now when placing your lights inside of the case, you want to make sure of a couple of things. One being that your light is completely straight and not arranged in a certain position. And you also want to make sure to place your light head first inside of the case with the bottom of the light facing up. So to demonstrate, I'm going to take my light like so. Then like I mentioned, I'm going to place it head first going into the case. And you'll see that the bottom of the light is resting securely on the padding. Then we're gonna do the same exact thing with the second light here, so we'll flip it over so it's facing down. Okay, and then we'll just place it in head first, and then just place it down like so. Once your lights are secure in the case, you can use the Velcro pads for extra security on top to keep your lights from moving around when you close the case. So now we can close our case, and then use the butterfly locks to keep your case closed. There's also these locking holes here so you can get a couple of locks for extra security. And you'll notice this case is stackable, so you can place another case with wheels on top when storing or loading. This case can hold many different moving headlights as long as the base is larger than the inner padding. Here's a list of all of the different moving headlights that can fit inside the RMH2C. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RMH2C case for moving headlights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.